I just wanted to do something neat and share with y'all what we made so far this year. So let's check it out. So we go in, customize month or year, January 1st, all the way until today. So we got that. Load this one up. Same thing. Customize January till today. And this is what we're looking like. So if I pull out the handy dandy calculator, a grand total of $43,265.74. So that is so far this year. It's May 27th. That's what we're looking like. So far had a very, very good year, and it's just gonna keep on getting better. Almost halfway through the year. A couple of days will be halfway, and we just gonna keep on going. It is going to slow up a little bit because during the winter time, or usually the move's a little slow. But as y'all can see, we are already profitable. Way. All I can say is if you invested more, you would have more, because y'all see the results. So ain't nothing to it but to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Another half down, another half to go, and a lot more profits. So let's get it. Boss for what? I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and let's just keep on growing.